It's festival season in Tangibo Parish, and Track, Tangibo Reshaping Attitudes for Community Change, invites you to enjoy the festivals and celebrate safely. For a great number of non-alcoholic mocktails, visit sixfortheseason.com, and we have a number of great mocktails that are festival related. And now, speaking of festivals, we have one of Tangibo Parish's newest festival, the Celtic Festival. And with me is Lauren Robertson. Lauren, thank you for coming out today. And it's an exciting time to be part of the Celtic Festival.
Yes, it is. We're very excited to get it started.
And that's in September.
Yes.
Now, you have a parade in March, but the big event is in September.
Yes, September 19th at Kiwanis Park.
And with that, a lot of dancers, a lot of heritage, traditional, celebrating the heritage of the Celtic community.
That's right. We're also having a wild game cook-off this year. We're bringing that back, so that's going to be a lot of fun too.
And with the wild game, can anybody participate?
Yes, anybody can, and there's 3 divisions, so be sure to enter all of them.
And being one of Tangibo Parish's newest festivals, it seems you're growing every year, adding more events, more programs, and things it's a good fun day in the fall to come out.
Yes, it is, for sure.
And in Kiwanis Park in Ponchatoula. And with us now, we have one of our queens for the Celtic Festival, Miss Brill Gazzardo. And Queen Gazzardo, how's it been for you?
It's been very good so far. I've only been reigning for a couple of months, but I can't wait to see what this year holds for me, and I'm just so excited.
And with that, it's really fun to celebrate your heritage as well. And with the Celtic Festival, there'll be a lot of fun and celebration that particular day.
Yes, sir. There will be a lot of Irish dancers, Scottish dancers, bagpipes, and it's just going to be really fun. You know, there's going to be the kids zone, so the kids can go have fun, and a lot of vendors, so make sure to come out.
Now this year, are you a Scottish dancer or a bagpipe player? Or are you just reigning over the whole event?
I'll just be watching, definitely.
There you go. I'll join you on that one. So bagpipes and dancers will leave to them.
Yes, sir.
But with that, as part of the fun, we like to first of all thank Track for participating. Track does a wonderful job in the community, and they're sponsoring this program as far as having non-alcoholic beverages at some of the events. So we appreciate you guys coming in for that. And also we'd like to thank Track for the job they do in the community. And so with that, we're going to take a specialty Shamrock mint shake. And so we're going to go ahead and get that together. And if you can talk us through it, first we'll start with the mint ice cream.
Yes.
So go ahead and take the mint ice cream, put it in there.
You got it.
There you go. You got it. Just slop it on in there. There you go. I got it. No problem. Go ahead and I got it. We got it. And go ahead and get the milk. And it's a cup of milk. Just put that in there. Go ahead. I'll take that and grab the other cup of milk. There you go. There you go. And to give it a true mint flavor, we have some mint extract. Go ahead and put that in there. And to make the drink festive as well, we want to go ahead and rim some of the glasses with chocolate, because everybody loves a little chocolate with their drink. Oh, that looks beautiful there, just to add to it. And now here we go, kind of the pour, always the nerve part there. We'll pour you one there. All right, let's put some mint sprigs in there, just as some little garnishment. There you go, just drop it in there. Drop it in there. And with that, we toast to a very good Celtic festival season.
Slosh it off.
Say that again?
Slosh it off.
Slosh of off. Sixfortheseason.com to learn more about many great mocktail recipes in Tangibo Parish.